Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today our focus will be on 4 words: set, small, spell, such. So let's begin with the first word, set. S-E-T, set. Set up, set down, set out, set in, set off, set sail. When the sun sets, the sky turns red here. Enjoy the sunset. We received a complete set of dinner plates for our housewarming. Pavika received a drum set for her birthday. The actors met on the movie set. There are 5 books in the set. I bought a matching set of towels. Rahul set up a website for Geeta. I set the alarm clock for 5 a.m. Ujala set the table for dinner. The second word is small. S-M-A-L-L, small. A small child. A small. The small birds were singing softly. Raj was small but strong. These shoes are too small. Do you have one size bigger? Malli was born in a small village. It was a small fishing village. Jack surprised Jill with a small gift. Tim finds it difficult to read small print. That box is too small to hold all these things. The next word is spell. S-P-E-L-L, spell. Spell on, spell again. How do you spell your last name, madam? Rita asked. It is Neeta Richardsons. The last name is spelled as Sons. S-O-A-N-S. I had to spell the word for her. We have had a long spell of cold weather. Raksha won a prize in the spelling competition. Spell your name, please. Correct my spelling if it's wrong. Jim had a coughing spell. That means he continuously coughed. The next word is such. I never saw such small dogs before. Why is everyone in such a hurry? There's a sale going on. I had such a great time with you. The party was such fun. Words, when well chosen, have such great force in them. Never have I seen such a beautiful scene. Never I have seen, S-E-E-N, such a beautiful scene, S-C-E-N-E. It's such a nice day. Come, let's go for a drive. With this, we have completed the next set of 20 words in focus second. So let's revise the 20 words. Only, are, old, off, point, part, place, play, put, pot, picture, self, show, say, same, sentence, set, small, spell such. So, as I always say, please keep on listening, repeating all these exercises with me so that you improve your English by the day. By the time we finish with this set of 200 words, you will be nearing to completion of at least 55% of the English words that you can speak your English very fluently. So please, please, please keep on listening, keep on reading and repeating the exercises first after me and then with me. That's all for now. Meet you again. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.